I've been thinking that I wanted to do a long garden tour more regularly, but I don't feel like that's actually happened. I just can't believe how everything has filled out here. It's really pretty amazing. I have this anise hyssop that is kind of, it'll probably take over if I let it. It's cool though, because this plant and the other one are already in bloom, and then this one is just the greens. I actually picked some this morning and I used the different ones in different bouquets that I made. The yarrow is blooming. I think the poppies back here might be kind of coming to an end. There is one marigold down there, a lonely marigold. More anise hyssop. I have my woodland poppy. The alliums are spent, but I just think they're so cool still. I have some zinnias down here. We haven't been getting very much rain, so they haven't grown very much. And this guy is clearly getting munched by something. My daisies, they've made me so happy. I feel like sometimes the bugs really get them. Sometimes the deer browse them, but this year they look really happy. I love this one sunflower right next to the mailbox. It's almost gonna bloom. Oh, these are a kind of black-eyed Susan that I saved the seeds from my neighbor. They're like 6 feet tall and they're so fun and cool. I have them. Well, sorry, let me show you my new sign too. My friend Barb gave this to me probably over a year ago, and I finally added it maybe last month. And then here's more of those black-eyed Susans. I think are so fun. This is just one bachelor button plant. It's just one plant, and I can't believe how bushy it is. There's a bunch of clover down here. This is my spiderwort that I don't think that there's very much color left on that, but even if there was, it closes at night. Oh, there's one bee visiting this sunflower. I think I missed him. But these sunflowers, they're like 6 feet tall, and it's June, I think it's June 24th when I'm taking this video. And I just think it's so amazing. They volunteered in March, and I thought there was no way they were gonna make it until they bloomed, but here they are. There's more sunflowers. I forgot to say, I don't know what this guy is called. I need to figure that out. I haven't deadheaded it at all, so I think it's gonna be done soon. I maybe should come out and do a hard cut back on it. More anise hyssop. These are Rudbeckia, a different kind of black-eyed Susan. I have been so pleased with them. They're so beautiful. Plus they bloomed earlier than the regular ones. I've got my sage here. It got hit pretty hard from the winter, but it's blooming now. More yarrow and daisies. I don't know if I like, I can't decide if I should go inside the fence or do something out of the fence. This bee balm I got from somebody last year, and I'm really pleased because I didn't have any of this purple. I have like a maroon color, and this is more like a hot pink. There's like one or two of the hot pink mixed in with this purple bee balm, so that was super fun. Here's another angle. Let me see if I can just zoom in, because I had so many different black-eyed Susans that grew this year. It's probably not very high quality, but I'm just so pleased with how everything has been filling out. All right, I'm gonna pause to walk around my wood chip pile. Over here, things haven't filled out as much. I hadn't sheet mulched this until last fall, but I love these oak leaf hydrangeas, and I do have, there's some zinnias here, so hopefully those will survive and be beautiful. The garden goes right to the neighbor's driveway, so I'm hoping that it'll look really beautiful and that they can enjoy it too. This is my plum tree. I think I've talked about my plum tree, that it has these little plums on it that I'm so, uh-oh, some of them are shriveled. I probably should have been watering it more, but hopefully some of them will survive. There's a lot of stuff over here that I need to to dig out, but anyway, here's the back view of the garden. You can see the sunflowers. Actually, I am going to take you inside. I thought of my snapdragons and my larkspur and wanted to come in the garden. Actually, I see I clearly should have supported them, but I didn't. I did cut off some of the ones that were, the blooms were spent. I think that was this morning, but they have lots of beautiful color. There's some more sunflowers here. It's funny because with them volunteering, they're all like mixed. There's so many different kinds. And I have my dahlias here, which as we get closer, you'll see it's a little disappointing. I'm not quite sure what's going on. If they're just getting munched or what. This one looks better. So some of them look okay, but that first one is bashful and it does not look great. And then this bride-to-be is not great either. And I'm not sure what these other kinds are, but they're all just getting eaten. And I don't know what's going on. So that's a little disappointing. I can't decide. I'm gonna take you over here actually now to the black-eyed Susan since we're here. There's so many different kinds. I have to like squeeze between these sunflowers. Okay, so these guys are a new variety, and I don't know, I haven't actually checked to see if this and this, like, are those the same plant? I'm not sure. I know this is called Cherry Brandy. I don't know what this one is called, but it is so happy. I love it. And I'll go, there's also Feverfew here. Again, I think I need to support everything a lot better next year because the Feverfew is just like sprawled everywhere. But here are these beautiful faces. There's the ones with the red, and then there's these. It's funny because they're all together and I thought they were all the same, but I'm not sure if I mixed the seeds together or exactly what happened, but they're fun. These faces are just a little bit bigger than the normal ones. And now I'm gonna take you over to see the larkspur. Okay, I lied. I want to show you my figs. It's so exciting. I think there's 7 of them. 6 maybe. I don't know. It's so fun. All right, now the larkspur. I forgot. I have this one volunteer watermelon. And I'm probably gonna let it go and just see what happens. I don't actually know if you need 2 different watermelon plants to pollinate them, but we'll see. And then here is, I don't know if it's Amy or Ami. Again, I probably should have supported it. Maybe I should have planted them a little farther away from each other. They have such an interesting pattern. I don't know if that comes out very well in the video, but it just looks really cool. So they're really fun. I haven't cut any of them yet because I don't really know. I don't know how to cut them. Oh, there's some more feverfew. I hadn't seen that this was blooming. Not quite ready to pick. And then the larkspur. I haven't picked very many larkspur, but they make me happy when I see all the colors over here. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm losing my light, but thanks for joining me in the garden tour. I don't want to end on something not beautiful. I'm going to show you my Amy again. Happy gardening!